Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Today we are going to take actually third problem in tutorial 2, second tutorial. See, evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x square, 0 to root of 1 minus x square minus y square dx dy dz by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Now given show that pi square weight, we see what answer we get. We don't want to write, sometimes maybe it's wrong answers are there, we see. Now we see here inside limit is what x and y is means for don't do with respect to x, don't do with respect to y. So actually these limits are z limits, so with respect to z you can do. Next is means for x means anyway you can't do x, so with respect to y this is x. So before starting you can change actually 0 to 1, 0 to root of x square root of 1 minus x square y square. First with respect to what you will do, z. Next this is what in terms of x means what, y, finally you can do x. Now correct. Now with respect to z I am dealing with what here, z only variable, these all are constant. This whole thing I will treat as a constant. So this how can I write actually, this shape I will write a square minus x square, this whole thing I will prepare as a square. So I will write 0 to 1, 0 to root of 1 minus x square, 0 to root of 1 minus x square y square dz by root of 1 minus x square y square whole square z square dy dx. See, this whole time I am writing root of ax square. This is not root whole square means it's nothing but same thing. So we have no right to change the problem. Just I will modify. So this appears what, root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square means what, sin inverse of x by a noun formula. So this how you will write 0 to 1, 0 to root of 1 minus x square. With respect to z I am doing so, sin inverse x place is what, z is that, z by a. Apply limit, upper limit, lower limit become vanish, upper limit only stands. So 0 to 1, 0 to root of 1 minus x square. This is what, sin inverse 1 you will get pi by 2, lower limit waste dy dz. Any problem? Now take pi by 2 is outside. Shall above. If you take pi by 2 outside, integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to root of 1 minus x square dy dx. Now do pi by 2, 0 to 1, y you will get dx. Now pi by 2, 0 to 1 root of 1 minus x square, lower limit waste dx. We are finding integral root of a square minus x square over x by 2 into same thing plus a square means plus a square. Suppose minus a square means minus a square by 2 plus a square by 2. If it is down means what you will get? Sine inverse. You can remember like this. Now write what you will get. Pi by 2 x by 2 same thing, 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x by 1 0 to 1. This is waste. If you apply upper limit 1 minus 1 is 0, lower limit 0, 0, so this whole thing is waste is equal to 0. With the pencil you can strike. Then this if you apply means what? Pi by 2, this 1 by 2 is there, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So proved. Any problem? This is the way of doing. This is the third problem. Thank you watching for our channel. Kindly subscribe and share and inform to all your friends. Bye.